Hello everyone, welcome back to Noble Chemistry classes. Now today we are going to start today's topic from structure of an atom for class 11th. Now today's topic is blackbody radiations and photoelectric effect. Now so let's start. Now today's topic is first blackbody radiation. In last video we have discussed that the limitations of electromagnetic wave theory. Electromagnetic wave theory could not explain blackbody radiation and electromagnetic wave theory could not explain the photoelectric effect. Now what is blackbody radiation and what is photoelectric effect? So let's start today's topic. Blackbody. First of all the question is that what is blackbody? Let's here this is a body, okay, and we can say that this is a black body, means this body completely absorb the all radiations and completely emit all the radiations and all frequencies are known as this is black body. मीन्स ब्लैक बॉडी का मतलब क्या हुआ कि कोई भी ब्लैक बॉडी, जैसे ये ब्लैक बोर्ड है तो हमने इसको ब्लैक बोर्ड क्यों कहा, क्योंकि ये कम्प्लीटली जितने भी रेडिएशंस आती है उसको कम्प्लीटली क्या कर लेता है, या तो ये इसको एब्जॉर्ब कर ले या फिर इसको इमिट कर दे, यानी कि सारी की सारी को यहाँ से रेडिएटर कर दे एनर्जी को, तो वो क्या होगा, एक ब्लैक बॉडी होगा. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ब्लैक बॉडी? ए ब्लैक body is a ideal body which is a perfect absorber or and the perfect radiator of energy is known as black body. And what is black body radiation? Black body radiation the radiations emit from the black body is known as black body radiation. For example, this blackboard, we can say that this is a blackboard black body because it completely emit or absorb the radiations and the perfect radiator of energy, and the radiations which are emit from this blackboard is known as black body radiations. The energy of electron radiation is proportional to its intensity. कह रहे कि जो एनर्जी है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशंस की वो किसके डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होती है, उसके इंटेंसिटी के directly proportional होती है. Now from here we can represent the intensity at different temperatures as a diagram. So we start the variation of intensity with wavelength at two different temperature. Now here this is intensity and here wavelength. Now at a particular temperature, first the intensity is increased with decrease of wavelength, which is at a maximum value of wavelength and start decreasing with increase of intensity. Now from here we can write here at a given temperature the intensity increase at a particular wavelength. After this it start decreasing with increasing wavelength. Here is also this. Now this is temperature T1 and this is temperature T2. At a given temperature intensity of radiation increase with decrease of wavelength which is at a particular wavelength and then start decreasing with further of wavelength. Now here the maximum wavelength is maximum and here is the minimum. Now first of all from here we can say that at a given temperature the intensity first increase with decrease of wavelength. First intensity increase with decrease of wavelength and after reach a particular wavelength then start decrease with further decrease of wavelength. कि पहले जब वेवलेंथ डिक्रीज हो रही है तो इंटेंसिटी क्या हो रही है, इंक्रीज हो रही है, लेकिन एक मैक्सिमम वैल्यूज के ऊपर जहाँ उसके बाद जो वेवलेंथ है वो क्या होना स्टार्ट हो गई, डिक्रीज होना स्टार्ट हो गई विद इंटेंसिटी डिक्रीज होना स्टार्ट हो गई विद डिक्रीज ऑफ wavelength. Now this is the black body radiations and now the next topic is photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. Now what is photoelectric effect? To understand it, that is this is a metal surface. Now this is a metal surface when some radiation strike from the metal strip, when some radiation strike from the metal surface, then from here the electrons are ejected. Now this effect is known as the photoelectric effect. When the radiations of some frequency strike the metal surface is known as photoelectric effect, and the electrons which are ejected from the metal surface is known as photoelectrons. इन्हें क्या कहेंगे, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इजेक्ट हुए निकले हैं उन्हें हम फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कहेंगे, और इस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहेंगे, फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट कहेंगे। इस फिनोमिना को हम फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट कहेंगे। नाउ फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन राइट when radiations of some frequency, when radiation of some frequency strike the metal surface, then electrons are ejected, when electrons are ejected from this metal surface, this phenomena is known as photoelectric effect. And the electrons which are ejected from the metal surface, is known as photoelectron. क्या है ये, हमारे पास एक मेटल सरफेस है, कोई भी रेडिएशन किसी फ्रीक्वेंसी की जब इस मेटल सरफेस से स्ट्राइक होगी तो यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या होंगे, इजेक्ट होंगे। इजेक्ट का मतलब होता है निकलना। इस प्रोसेस को हम फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट कहेंगे। एंड द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विच आर इजेक्टेड फ्रॉम द मेटल सरफेस इज नॉन एज फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन। हियर दिस इज एन evacuated tube. This is an evacuated tube. Now here is a metal surface and this is a detector, and both are connected with battery. Now this detector is act as a anode and metal surface या metal rod is act as a cathode. Now in this process, when radiation strike from this metal surface, now from the electrons are ejected from the metal surface and move in the direction of anode. When these electrons are moved towards the anode, then the kinetic energy of electrons can be determined by the detector, which is act as a anode. Now from here some points are observed that which are we will study. It consists evacuated tube where metal surface is act as cathode and detector detector act as anode, which are connected to the external circuit. When sufficient energy is allowed to strike the metal surface, electrons are ejected, which moves towards anode. The kinetic energy of electrons are determined by detector. Here some points are observed which are following as the electron are ejected only when the radiation has threshold frequency when strike the metal surface. मीन्स इसमें फर्स्ट पॉइंट ये ऑब्जर्व किया गया कि जो रेडिएशंस आ रही हैं उस मेटल से स्ट्राइक कर रही है, उस रेडिएशंस की जो फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी वो थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी के इक्वल या उससे ज्यादा होनी चाहिए, तभी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या होंगे, इजेक्ट होंगे। अगर फ्रीक्वेंसी रेडिएशन की थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी से कम है तो वहां इलेक्ट्रॉन इजेक्ट नहीं होंगे। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट व्हाट इज थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी। नाउ द थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी इज द मिनिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी from where the electrons are start ejected. Now the definition of threshold frequency. The minimum amount of frequency of a radiation when strike with metal surface the electrons are ejected. The electrons start ejected from the metal surface. From the metal surface. It is denoted by mu naught. Now यहाँ से मान लीजिए कोई रेडिएशंस आ रही है तो उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी से है, तो यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन स्टार्ट होना शुरू नहीं करेगा, लेकिन जिस फ्रीक्वेंसी के ऊपर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ने इजेक्ट होना स्टार्ट कर दिया वो ही फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होगी, थ्रेशोल्ड frequency होगी. Now the minimum frequency from where the electrons start ejected from the metal surface is known as threshold frequency and it is denoted by mu naught. Now the first point is observed that the radiations have the minimum threshold frequency to eject the electrons. And now the second point is that the number of photoelectron ejected is proportional to the intensity of incident radiations. The number of photoelectron ejected is proportional to the intensity of incident radiations. की जो भी radiations आ रही है उसकी intensity के directly proportional होंगे कितने number of electron eject हो रहे हैं. And now the last point is that the velocity को आप kinetic energy भी कह सकते हो यहाँ से, the velocity या फिर the kinetic energy of electron. The velocity of photoelectron is depend upon the frequency of the incident radiation and is independent of its intensity. Independent of its intensity. Now this is the photoelectric effects and these points are observed. Now I hope आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके मुझे ज़रूर बताइए कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लग रही है. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.